Hello and welcome. I'm Yvette Ferrugia from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and today we're going to be talking about colouring pink buttercream. For our beautiful, vibrant, really deep pink buttercream, we like to use 3 different colouring agents. Yes, we wish there was one that we could just use, but unfortunately we really do need all 3. So we use Pro Gel Pink, we use Hot Pink by Colour Mill, and we also use Deep Pink by Vivid. So start with your white buttercream, just using a spatula. Get it nice and smooth by squishing out all the air bubbles to the side, mixing it through its bowl, and just add equal quantities of your pinks. Mix it quite well. Make sure you're scraping through the bottom and the sides of the bowl there just to incorporate all the white buttercream. Okay, and then if you can, the best idea is to actually wait before adding any more colorant, because the color will deepen over time. Okay, so if you feel that it is way too light, then yeah, definitely add some more straight away. But if you have time to just set it aside for a couple of hours and then come back, review it, because it does deepen, and you may add too much coloring now, and when you're actually going to decorate your cake, you'll find that your pink is actually too vibrant and too deep. So time is your best friend. We don't recommend making these deep colors at the last minute right before you need to use them. One, because again, they do deepen like we just said, but 2, because you tend to use a lot more color than necessary. If you can do it ahead of time, you won't need it to add as much colorant. Okay, and just enjoy. Go ahead and frost your cake or your cupcakes. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.